What's going on? So usually I work on the Mustang on weekends, right? Well, this weekend and next weekend I'm going to be out of town. So in the meantime, I need your guys' help. When I'm done doing the diff, the next thing I'm going to address is the interior, because the interior is missing a couple parts and there's some little wonky bits here and there. If you know anyone that has parts for a 99 to 04 Mustang, let me know. Send them my way, okay? Because I need this trim piece right here that has the AC vents. Might need to replace this noise, but I'm not real sure yet. I kind of think it might just stick on the inside here, but I'm not sure. This part might be broken. Not real sure. So maybe. I'm definitely going to need one of these. I'm definitely going to need one of these. I'm definitely going to need one of these, especially because this murders your elbow when you shift, which sucks. And I'm going to need that trim part back there. Now, I don't really know what the hell that part's called, but yeah, I'm gonna need that. Other than that, the interior in here is not too bad, really. Needs a radio, obviously, but I'll let the future owner do that because, I don't know, whatever the hell they want to put in there, they can. Yeah, everything else in here is actually pretty damn nice. I had it detailed when I got it. The interior all done and nice and prettied up. Oh, I might need some pedals, but that's down the road. Oh, and if anyone knows what the hell is up with the gas pedal, like obviously the mat is all scrunched down there. But like that's all the travel it gets is that. Shouldn't it be up here? Like what the hell is wrong with that thing? It's all kinds of jacked up. So yeah, if you or anyone you know has parts that'll help me out, send them my way. Let me know. Later.